Welcome! Today we'll show you how to reset your MyRogers password and recover your username. Let's go! We're all bound to forget a password or username from time to time. That's why we've made it easy for you to reset or recover yours. First, go to rogers.com/account recovery. To reset your password, enter your MyRogers username and select Continue. If you don't remember your username, select Forgot your username. Enter the email used for your MyRogers profile and select Continue. If you don't remember the email you used, select Use your account information instead. Then, enter your account information and select Continue. Once you've entered your username or account information, we'll send you a verification code. If you've set up a wireless recovery number, we'll text the code to that number. If you haven't set up a wireless recovery number, we'll email you the code. Enter the code into the boxes on screen and select Continue. You'll see your username bolded towards the top of the screen just before the new password field. Enter and confirm your new password. Select Continue. Your new password is now set. We'll send you an email letting you know that your password has been changed. That's it. Now you know how to reset your MyRogers password and recover your username.